First things first, I appreciate your support. A reminder, when you're done with the laundry, leave the door open. After every laundry, leave the door open. If you have issues with the kids playing and they might tamper with the door hinge or the switch, leave it open overnight. Something else, it's not just leaving the door open. Ensure this rubber is clean when you're done with the laundry. So when you remove your clothes, do this. Take a clean piece of towel or cloth and pass it around the door like that. You see, like that, like that. Leave it open, and then you can pull this out like this, and then pass it here. You can wipe it from the outside. Just make sure the machine is clean. But the most important thing is ensure the door rubber seal is clean and leave the door open. It makes